Can't wait to take this pile of rocks behind us and transform it into a nice low maintenance pondless water feature.
Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
What's going on, guys? Marshall with Hiner Outdoor Living here. We are always doing renovations, repairs, and total rip out and rebuilds. I would probably say about 70% of our jobs are rebuilds of water features. This is one where it was a DIY project a few years ago. New homeowner came in, wanted something nice, and that's when he gave us a call. You can see behind me, it just is a pile of rocks, not even holding any water in the bottom. What we're gonna do for the water feature itself is use Siloam boulders, some of our cobble size, which is either 8 inches to 2 feet at the biggest, but these boulders behind me, they're like 2.5 feet wide in diameter. We're gonna use those as outcropping ones to help kind of break up the monotony of just bare dirt around it and maybe help us to balance out the water feature itself. We are gonna be hopefully in and out of this project in 2 days, so I can't wait to take this pile of rocks behind us and transform it into a nice low maintenance pondless water feature. Day one on this job, end of the day, we got exactly where I wanted to. Got all of the old water feature demoed, some of those rocks placed around, the basin in, and we have the first falls and spillway set. Let's go ahead, take a moment, and explain to you a little bit about how we build these water features and why. So when building our waterfalls, we like to use as minimal rocks as possible. One thing that I do not like to see is when we get a bunch of rocks stacked on top of each other with falls going over it. That's not what you find in nature, and that's not what we want to see here on our jobs. That's why when we're building these waterfalls, we try to keep it to either 2 or 3 rocks. This is a perfect example of a 3-rock waterfall where you have 2 frame rocks and a spillway rock. One thing that is really crucial to naturalize the falls is by taking the spillway rock and recessing it back into the frame rocks. Sometimes when building water features, this rock here is in front and then the lip is out. And that's just not how it works in Mother Nature. So by recessing this rock back, it gives it so much more of a natural look. And as you can see, it's gonna come, fall here, and really cascade into there and look completely natural. I can't wait to see this falls running. After 2 days, what a transformation. Before, it was a pond, pile of rocks. We got it cleaned up, turned it from a headache of a water feature to maintain to a nice low maintenance pondless water feature. 6-foot stream, blends in perfect to the hill. Fernando did an amazing job with this project. Extremely proud of him. Sometimes a lot of people think that just because it's smaller makes it easier to build, and that's not always the case. As you can see, we have some nice character boulders in the middle of the stream that take this water and bring it around this rock to give it some twists and turns. And we have a nice little sheet right here, just from one falls. This has so much character in it. It is exactly what we were going for when we were designing this water feature. Right now it is a little foamy just because of all the organics that come from a newly born water feature. So after a few days, all this foam will go away, the water will be crystal clear, and it will be ready to enjoy all year. So it's been a couple days since we have finished this water feature. We got the water cleared up a little bit and it has turned out awesome. The owner's gonna come and put in some plants and mulch on his own, possibly some underwater lighting to enjoy it at night. But job complete, and I think it turned out exactly how we wanted it to. Thank you guys for staying till the end. If you like this stuff, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell, get notifications, and also do me a favor. We've gotten a lot of projects done on this channel so far. If you could, put in the comments which one's been your favorite project to date and why. Thank you, and stay tuned till next week.